Hello, dear followers. In today's video, we're going to share with you a wonderful and simple recipe for making delicious cheese bread. This recipe is a perfect choice for a light snack or a tasty breakfast meal. Follow along to learn how to make it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to receive all the latest updates and to support us in providing more delicious and innovative recipes. We're going to make dough, and here are the ingredients: 2 tablespoons yeast, 2 tablespoons sugar, 1.5 cups warm milk, 3 tablespoons oil, 4 cups flour, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon vinegar. We mix the ingredients together well until we have a firm dough. Then we let it rest for 10 to 20 minutes until it doubles in size. After preparing the dough, we roll it out into a rectangle shape. All the ingredients for the recipe can be found below the video in Arabic, English, and French. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and support us with a like so we can continue with you. First shape. First, we roll the dough into small balls. After rolling out the dough, we take a spoonful of tomato sauce and place it in the lower middle, as you can see. Then, we add some chicken, red and green bell peppers, olives, and grated cheese. We close the other half of the dough and roll the edges. After finishing all the dough, we prick it with a fork so it doesn't puff up. Then we brush the top of the dough with tomato sauce, sprinkle some grated cheese, and optionally decorate with red and green bell peppers. It looks beautiful and wonderful. Second shape. We start with the second phase. We prepare the filling. The filling is optional. I will use a chicken filling with tomato sauce, onion, and garlic. We roll out the dough and make small balls. We put a spoon or two of the filling in the middle and add mozzarella cheese pieces. We close the small bread pieces and place them on a baking sheet. We make small cuts with a knife to get the desired shape. Make sure to use fresh, high-quality ingredients. Second, let the dough rest after kneading so it becomes light and airy. Third, don't overdo the flour. Keep the dough slightly soft. Fourth, use warm water for kneading, not hot or cold. Fifth, mix the ingredients well without rushing to ensure they combine properly. Sixth, preheat the oven before placing the pastries in it. Finally, watch the baking time closely to avoid drying out or burning the pastries. Follow these tips, and you'll have delicious, successful pastries every time. Third shape. We roll out the dough into a long rectangular shape. Then we spread tomato sauce or ketchup or any other sauce you like in a long line. Here, I use the filling with cheese in the middle. Then, we roll the sides of the dough from top and bottom, and with the help of a knife, cut the dough into rectangular pieces. We arrange them on a baking sheet, brush with egg yolk, and sprinkle some sesame seeds. We bake it in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 15 to 20 minutes. I hope you like the recipes, and if you have any questions, don't forget to write them in the comments. I will try to answer all the questions. Don't forget to share the video and support us with a like so we can continue with you. Bon appetit, and thank you for watching. See you tomorrow!